Silicone Edge graphics are dye-sublimated or UV printed push-fit fabric graphics that have a thin silicone strip on all edges. The silicone edge part of the graphic is pushed into the extrusion profile on the edge of the display, resulting in a taut and wrinkle-free appearance. SEG displays minimize the appearance of the frame system because the graphic stretches to the very edges of the frame. To begin graphic installation, push the SEG bead into each corner of the frame by folding the bead into the channel. Push the SEG bead into the middle of the run and work your way around the perimeter of the frame until all the beading is pushed in properly. If necessary, go around the perimeter again to ensure beading is secure in the extrusion profile. After this step, the graphic installation is complete. To remove your graphic, use the pull tab located in the bottom right-hand corner of the graphic and gently pull the graphic from the frame. If you're ordering a new graphic but already have a frame, measure the width and height dimensions before ordering to ensure the graphic is the proper size. To get the most accurate measurement, measure the outer interior edge of the channel to the opposite outer interior edge of the channel. Thanks for watching. Please take a look at some of our other videos and feel free to reach out for more information.